Welcome, medical link officials. Now I am talk about the respiratory system. The respiratory system consists of the nose, larynx, trachea, bronchi, lungs. Respiratory system is consist of two parts: upper respiratory tract and lower respiratory tract. The upper respiratory tract consists of nose, pharynx, throat, and associated structures. Now, the two lower respiratory tract is consisting of the larynx, trachea, bronchi, and lungs. Respiratory systems consist of the following organs: nose, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, lungs. Number one, larynx. Larynx is also called voice box. The larynx is lie in the front of the lowest part of the pharynx. It is upper parts of the prominent part, windpipe, and open into the trachea. Larynx is the many cartilage largest of these thyroid cartilage attached to the top of the cartilage is epiculates and help to the close of the pharynx during the swallowing. The vocal cords lie inside the larynx. Trachea is also called windpipe, is about 10 centimeter long. The bronchi are the mm, formed by the connected of the trachea at the level of fifth vertebrae. Bronchioles divided into alveoli. Millions of alveoli are present in these is close to contact with the capillaries where blood come into the almost in direct contact with air. If you like this video, please subscribe channels, like and share. Thanks.